All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good morning, second grade! It's excellent to have you on this amazing Thursday morning. So, we have plenty planned for the day. Let's hop right into our agenda, and we will see what we have in store. All right, if I can go on. There we go. All right, so heading into the classroom stream, you will see what the agenda of the day is going to look like. So, first things first, morning work is in your classwork tab. So we'll head in here, check it out. Today's morning work's pretty similar to the other ones now that we're starting to really get used to things. First one is, there we go, it's a fraction problem. So take a look at it. I have 1 whole, take away 3/4 or 3/4. And be thinking about that 1. How can we turn that into a whole that makes sense for subtraction? So be thinking about that, because if you know how to do that, this problem will be a lot easier. Next, I have a shape down here. It's split into either thirds, fourths, fifths, or sixths. You're going to write your answer on this side of the page. Then down here, I wrote adjectives describe nouns. We, people, are nouns. I want you to write down 3 nouns that describe you. So have some fun with that. Do your best with your spelling. Last one is a brain break. If you can set a timer for 30 seconds, do so. Count how many jumping jacks you can do in those 30 seconds and put your answer in. And lastly, have an awesome day today. It's Thursday. You guys have rocked it all week. So let's finish this up and click the turn in button. Again, if you want to print out this page, if you're able to print and just fill in the answers by hand, you can. Or you can just write your answers on a piece of paper and then have someone take a picture of this and send it to me. Or you can even attach it at the bottom of the page below have an awesome day so I can see your answers. Okay? Then you click the turn in button so I can see your work. All right. Heading back into the stream to see what we need to do next. ELA, you are reading to self for 30 to 40 minutes. Find a book, get deep into it, have fun with it. After that, it's the reader's notebook. You're going to write about 1 book that you read today, or you're going to be finishing up your entry from yesterday. And once you finish that entry, you can start a new one. And again, that should be about 20 minutes. Then you're doing Lexia or IXL for 20 minutes. I'm backing those times down just a little bit for you guys. After that, you have writing, narrative small moment slideshow for 20 minutes. Be thinking now, it's due tomorrow, so let's make sure that we're working in there. Once you're done with writing, you have your gym special, and you have to go to Mr. Martin's classroom. So if you go up here into the hamburger, that's what I call that section of the page because it kind of looks like a hamburger. The 3 lines, you click on that, you'll see your other classrooms that you are enrolled in. Okay, and you should see Mr. Martin's in there. Once you're done with that, you have lunch, recess. Looks a little rainy out today. Uh-oh. If it clears up, try to get outside. If not, then find something to do inside. Once you're done with all of that, heading into math. And this is my mini lesson from the other day. What I would like you to do is once you're done watching that mini lesson, head into the classwork tab. And I have an assignment in there for you. It doesn't use our book. It uses our workbook, which you do not have. So you'll need to open up the document to see what the questions are. It's pretty similar to the one that you did yesterday. This is just extra practice. And again, you can print this out, actually write in your answers, or you can always use a piece of paper and just write down 1A and then the answer to 1A. And then send that to me instead. Okay? Whatever works best for you guys. I don't want to make more work for you. So once you're done with this, click the turn in button. And the last thing for the day, you're going to be working on your science trip. And like I said, that's due tomorrow as well. So make sure you're checking out a different section of that museum and be writing down some cool things that you're really noticing about it. I've already, like I said before, I've already read a few of them, and you guys are doing an awesome job. One last thing. If you head into the stream, you'll see that up here, I have a class meeting at 9 o'clock with you guys. So if you are able to, sometimes we're busy, sometimes we need to go out with mom or dad. That's okay. Try your best to be here for 9 o'clock because I'd love to see you. We can use this time to say hi, see a friend, and get some help on our school work for the day. You're going to click on the link around 9 o'clock. If you try to go in before 9, nothing's going to happen. All right? And I will be there for about an hour because after that I have a meeting that I need to be at. And I'll be doing this most days between 9 and 10 except for Wednesdays because I have a meeting at 9 that I need to be at. But we'll be using this more as like a drop in if you need me kind of thing. And we'll try it out, see how it works, and change it if we need to. All right, guys. Have an awesome day. I look forward to seeing you guys around 9 o'clock. All right. See ya.